Ultimate Love winners Rosie and Kachi celebrate their third anniversary yesterday with stunning photos on Instagram. Fans couldn't help but admire and call them African Beyoncé and Jay-Z. The Ultimate Love stars Rosemary Afuape and Kachi Uchegu, known popularly as Rosie and Kachi, have set Instagram ablaze as they released couple goals pictures yesterday to mark their 3-month anniversary. The Queen of Rock Nation took to her official microblogging platform via Instagram as she shared breathtaking photos of herself and her partner looking stunning. The reality stars shared series of photos of themselves in lovely outfits as they captioned them with long epistles professing love to each other. Yeah, these are the photos they shared, and fans of Rock Nation were stunned by how cute their king and queen looked in the photos as they couldn't get enough of their photos. In admiration of the Ultimate Love winners, a fan identified as Aboateng called them African Beyoncé and Jay-Z. So guys, let me know what are your thoughts on Rosie's and Kachi's photo. Happy anniversary to Rosie and Kachi. May God continue to bless them and keep them happy. Kindly drop your wishes for them in the comment section below, and if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.